Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong problem regarding trigonometry, which is actually conversion lang naman siya. Pero medyo recall lang mga Lodi guys. So for our question, express 82 degrees, 26 minutes in nautical miles. So ano ba Sir IJ nautical mile? So yung nautical mile kasi mga Lodi guys, ito yung unit of length na usually ginagamit sa mga air, marine, and space navigation. Pero in terms of history, ito yung meridian arc length equivalent to 1 minute or 1/60 of a degree of latitude at the equator. So, another information is yung derived unit of speed niya is yung knot. Baka nakakita kayo ng mga unit na knot, which is equivalent to 1 nautical mile per hour. Okay? So, ano lang yan, additional information lang from Sir IJ. Pero we will directly go to the question. Ang sinabi ko kanina, di ba, ang 1 nautical mile is 1/60 of a degree. Which means that for the solution part, so medyo recall lang talaga to guys, sobrang dali lang. So recall that 1 degree is equal to 60 nautical miles. Okay? Tas 1 minute kasi equals 1 nautical mile. So 82 degrees, so that will just be multiplied by 60, and then i-add lang natin tong minute kasi 1 minute is equal to 1 nautical mile. So plus 26, 82 times 60, ilan yan Sir IJ? That is 4,920 plus 26, adding the 2. So the final answer is 4,946 nautical miles. Ganun lang po siya kasimple mga Lodi Cakes. Walang kahirap-hirap. It's just basic. So for this problem, the correct answer is letter A. Thank you so much to those who keep on supporting our channel. I hope marami pa kayong matutunan kay Sir IJ sa mga previews, sa mga present, and sa mga future videos natin regarding engineering mathematics and as well as engineering related contents. And kita-kits mga Lodi Cakes. God bless and bye-bye.